Hello and how are you? If you are watching the news lately, you can see that Microsoft is using new AI and making new things like the AI and the new Bing and things like that, and Google and Apple makes things like the Alexa and things like that. But did you know that without any experience, you can make it using Python and without no library at all? This is the most good thing about it. Other libraries that we will use all we can be using we will just create. So let's just make an entry. So let's just make an input, and this will be a prompt, and just before it here make a print. Make this print to be set to anything like enter, like for example, ask a question. Then here we will be placing it inside of this, and let's just test it out. So it tells us ask a question and you can like enter it and things like that. So let's see how do we really make it. So we're gonna create a function, but I want to like create another file which will have other things. So we will make a new file and call it response.py. Okay, and just over here we will import the response. Okay, then just after this we will make a print. The inside this print will be but plus, then we will have the responses then dot, and I will just call it return underscore fun. Let's just add the e to it. So we want the e, the variable in it. So let's just so here we will make a def and let's name it return underscore fun. Let's heal input, and I would just say like if input equal to hey, you will turn for it hello, and let's just like something like this. So when we click on learn, it will tell us to ask a question, and let's just add a hey. Okay, so Tava has a quite a problem here. So let's just make an hey and none. So I will give you a hint. So why it returned hey? Because we spelled it with a capital S, not a small s. So first of all, we will need to make this to be input underscore. This input underscore, so input underscore will be equal to input, but we will set it to be lower. This should to the click. So when we do it again, it will ask me a question. So hey, then it will give us hello. Let's just try it again. So I will all the capitals. Hello. Things like that. Then let's just make an L. Don't know what happened. Sorry. Have to change my language. So L. Beside this L, for example, add another thing. This is for other. So if input equal to, and let's just say, how are you, for example, and I will just return and it will be returning I am fine. So if I go now, so if Aleph, sorry, it is Aleph. So now when we click, so Aleph has a problem, I don't know. Let's just make it an L for now, okay? And it should be working just fine. The Elf does the problem. So now when we go here, we will like say, how are you? And like you can see it's all capital. Now it give you none. The reason because you did it at the question mark, which can be something not very good. So I wonder how are you? The capitalization is weird and still nothing in return. So what is it? So it is because here we did the underscore. So it has to be input underscore, not just input. So here I will just say, how are you? So it will give you a file. And this is it. So you can add multiple of things and you just turn it. So I will add like anything. For example, if you want to like just for like a chatting bot, a friendly chatting bot, you can set it to be a chatting bot. But I will just want it to have hey, how are you? And we can add later on many things. Okay, so and it is the same idea of a Discord bot or a Twitter bot, but it is self. So now when we open it, we have the main and response. When we click on main, it will print ask a question. When I say, hey, so it just ends the program for some reason. So to fix this, let's just go back to our well editor, then go to our main and this is it. So it just stops running. So what we can do is may like make this uh, function. So let's just make a def equal to fun. It will be equal to this, and here I would call fun again after this, and then here I will just make the fun. So now when we close it and just go to our main Helitel, hey, Helitel, how are you? Helitel, it will give you an answer. How are you. But it's working quite fine. And I will just ask it, hello, Snan, hey, Helited, and things like that. So it's working fine. And this is how you can do easily uh, what it's called bot in Python without using any library. Okay, and if you want it to be big, you can use database, but I will not use database. So one problem I noticed that it returns none if it's not defined, but I wanted to be friendly. So let's make other thing. So to fix this, go back here, and after this, make the else. Then just hit her, and please, please, I don't know what this. Please, hey, your question. I don't understand, for example. So now, when we save it and just pop up, oh, then go here, and then hello, which is not defined, so let's give us this. So this is how, so I will now say, hey, it will give us hey, and because I'm using the caps close, so even if I typed it all hi, it will give us hello. And you can customize it. And this is how you can make a simple chatting bot in Python. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you very much.